Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to use Countif in Excel to count text. So let's start this my Excel, and here you can see I have a product list. So here I'm going to count the text. So simply select the cell, use the is equal to and enter the Countif function. So select here the Countif and select the range of data. So I select here the range of product list. So I use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column range. After the select the range, use the comma and enter your criteria. Criteria, I use here the double quote and enter here the sofa. So I'm going to count the sofa product in this list. So I use again double quote and then bracket closed and enter. And here you can see 422 is a count of sofa product in this list. So to cross check, you just apply the filter on this list. Shift Control L to apply the filter, the shortcut key. Then click on this arrow. In search box, just enter the sofa. And here the sofa is searched. After that, just click on OK and sofa is filtered. Then again select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. And here you can check the count 422. It means it's correctly calculated by using the Countif function. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.